You can also strengthen your eyesight. How do you strengthen your eyesight?
Your eyes are your window to the world, yet they are one of the most overworked and undernourished organs in your body. What if we told you there's one simple yet powerful thing you can do to strengthen your eyesight and support your vision for years to come? Today, we bring you insights from Barbara O'Neill, a renowned natural health educator, on the secrets to optimizing your eye health. With her extensive experience, she helps people take control of their health by addressing the underlying causes of illness. Her scientific yet practical approach makes it easy for individuals to follow her guidance and improve their well-being. To understand how this exercise works, let's first explore the anatomy of the eye. The eye relies on tiny muscles, like the ciliary muscles and extraocular muscles, to focus light onto the retina. These muscles control the shape of the lens and the movement of the eyeball, allowing us to see clearly at varying distances.
How do you strengthen your eyesight? So right now, looking out that door there, I will focus on that tree. I'll focus my eyes on the leaves of the tree. And so when I'm doing it, the tree is standing still, but the big trees in the background are jumping, and that lamp's jumping, and that lamp's jumping. So what I'll do now, after 10 jumps, I'll focus on that lamp, and I'll keep that lamp still, and the leaves that were still before are now jumping in the peripheral. Can you see what you do? You keep changing your focus, and that strengthens your eyesight. Now, I wear glasses early morning for fine reading. Since I've been doing the changing of the focus, my eyesight has improved. I was just about to go to 250 magnification, but I'm finding that with the changing of the focus on the rebounding, I've been able to keep it just the 2. So it can strengthen your eyesight.
Our eyes have tiny muscles that help us focus on things at different distances, much like the zoom function on a camera. When you focus on something far away, then quickly switch to something closer, you're giving these muscles a workout. Here's why this simple practice is so powerful. 1. Exercising your focus muscles. When you focus on something far away, like the leaves on a tree, and then switch to something closer, like a lamp, you're giving the muscles in your eyes, called ciliary muscles, a workout. These muscles control the shape of your eye's lens, helping you focus on objects at different distances. Just like exercising other muscles in your body, keeping these muscles active can improve their performance over time. 2. Boosting peripheral awareness. While you're focused on one object, like the tree, you'll notice that other things in your peripheral vision, like the lamp or background trees, might seem to jump or move. This happens because your eyes and brain are working together to process the entire visual field. Training this peripheral awareness helps sharpen your overall vision and spatial awareness. 3. Preventing eye strain. If you spend a lot of time looking at screens or doing close-up work, your eyes can get stuck in a sort of focus mode where they struggle to relax. Shifting focus between near and far objects helps break this cycle, relaxing your eye muscles and reducing strain. Over time, this can make your eyes feel less tired and improve comfort. 4. Training your brain. Your eyes don't work alone. Your brain does a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to interpreting what you see. By regularly switching focus and engaging with different objects, you're training your brain to process visual information more efficiently. This can lead to improvements in clarity, depth perception, and overall visual sharpness. 5. Sharpening your depth perception. When you alternate between focusing on something near and far, you're also training your eyes to handle depth of field, the range over which objects appear clear. This kind of exercise can improve your ability to shift focus naturally, especially as you age, when focusing on close objects often becomes harder. 6. Refreshing your eyes with micro movements. When you concentrate on fine details, like the texture of a leaf, your eyes make tiny movements called microsaccades. These movements keep your vision sharp by refreshing the light-sensitive cells in your retina. Practicing this kind of focus helps your eyes stay steady and improves your ability to see fine details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.